time for omelets. Let's go! Hello guys, welcome to Furman Kitchen. In this channel, I will teach you how to make delicious recipes every week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a perfect omelet. Now, the way I learned how to make perfect omelets is back in the day when I was a Disney line cook. Every Sunday we had a brunch service and they would put me on the omelet station. And I made so many omelets I got sick of them. So I'm going to show you how to make them. They're the best omelets you can make. Everybody has always complimented me on them. I have eaten so many of them, I can't eat them anymore. And I know that you're going to be so shocked that this was so easy, and how did I not think of that before? So, for this recipe, we're going to need 2 eggs. This is enough to feed one person, trust me. Now, I'm not going to give you specific limitations on vegetables because you can put whatever your heart desires in this omelet. I'm going to put onion, spinach, tomatoes, and turkey from like turkey deli bags. Trust me. And then for my sister, I'm going to use mozzarella. I'm lactose intolerant, so no cheese for me, but my sister's going to have very cheesy omelets. To do a perfect omelet, you need a small non-stick pan. Now this is, I don't know how many inches, but this is my hand for comparison, and my hand is small. Water bottle for comparison. You need a small saute pan. Now, I am using the Chrissy Teigen pan line. I love her pans. I love Chrissy Teigen, but that's another subject. To start off, we want to break 2 eggs into a cup. Now, a lot of people use like milk or water or stuff in their eggs. No, we're gonna just use regular eggs. We don't want to alter our flavor, and trust me, it's gonna be fluffy. So just follow my recipe. It's the easiest one. Now, the way that we used to do in Disney, we actually use clarified butter, but butter is a good alternative to it. Now, I'm not going to tell you which vegetables you should use, but the ones I'm using is 1 tablespoon of onion, some spinach, a tablespoon of tomato, and a tablespoon of turkey. Now, just make sure you don't put too many vegetables because it's going to overcrowd the pan. Now mix that until it's about 80% cooked and season your vegetables. I like to use salt and pepper, but you can use anything to get fancy here. You can put garlic powder in there if you want. I'm purposely not going to speed this part of the video because I want you to see it as very important. You want to put your egg mixture into your vegetables. Now, as you see, the saute pan is not directly on the heat. You want to go ahead and mix it constantly. Don't stop mixing it until it looks just before scrambled eggs. You want to keep putting the saute pan back on the heat and off the heat until your eggs are cooked all the way. Okay, I take that back. Not all the way. You want to cook it right about until it's about 80% done, and then you want to slowly start patting it down and making a perfect circle. That's going to be the base of the omelet. If you do choose to add cheese, you can add any cheese you want. Sometimes I do cheddar, sometimes I do mozzarella, but just make sure you put the cheese on a perpendicular line to the stem of the saute pan. And here is why. Make sure this is off the heat when you do this, but you want to grab the stem of the saute pan and tilt it up towards you. You're going to grab a rubber spatula and slowly get the corner of the omelet and roll it inwards towards the cheese. you want to start tucking the end so it doesn't just flap over and fly everywhere. And slowly start making like a tiny omelet burrito. You can do this. I believe in you. It takes patience. It takes practice. But you can do this. And it's okay if it breaks. Nobody's perfect. Just keep tucking it in. Don't forget to put love into your food. This is very important. If you don't put love into your food, it's going to come out looking terrible. Now turn your heat on high and put it on the corner so that little edge seals. This is going to allow the cheese to melt. An important part of having an omelet is making sure that your plate is ready to go. And again, nobody's perfect. It's okay if it breaks. Just flip it over. Everything is going to be okay. Thank you guys for tuning into the video. I hope you make it at home because it's super easy. Last week my family came over and I made like 6 omelets in 20 minutes. So if you're looking to save time, I really recommend this recipe. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow my channel to see next time I make some videos. Now excuse me while I go eat my breakfast. Goodbye.